How to fix Xbox One not connecting to Wi-Fi. To fix Xbox One not connecting to Wi-Fi, try 1. Reboot your Xbox console and network equipment such as router. 2. Run Xbox connection test, settings general network settings test network connection, and disconnect headsets from your Xbox temporarily. 3. Check your Wi-Fi settings at settings general network settings set up wireless network, and check the settings on your router as well. 4. Improve your Wi-Fi signal strength, if possible. 5. Review Xbox Live status at https://support.xbox.com/n-us/xbox-live-status. 6. Try a wired connection for your Xbox One. 7. Contact Xbox support for additional help.